mwene kinenda kugambira abantu abaraherero ogumwanya abariyeta ngune bahinji balisa abo titurabamanya kandi tukahozagaho nabo titukabonaga batabalize titukabatabalizaga aba bariyeta bahinji balisa titurabamanya kandi twe ekitaraza kwikiriza abantu bace abariyeta ngo baraherero rukoro kuherero rukoro tikiramanyisa ngo uri mukama witaka baze mu koti aho kuba kugutunga kwetu tukagutunga kurujirira mu koti twatunga koti order echapa cyashazibwamu tihagiro wajurira kimanyiso mwanya no gwetwa balisa.
The Nyarambi Nyakabungo Barisa Association group members have today 18th May trashed a section of aggrieved members of the Nyarambi Nyakabungo Bahinji Barisa Kweterana group of Amurukoro land who have been claiming ownership of the land. Speaking to iTelevision reporters, Nyarambi Nyakabungo Barisa Association members told the aggrieved members of the Nyarambi Nyakabungo Bahinji Barisa to go to court as they too secured the land back through court. The members, led by Tumuhire Ephraim, Philemon Rwanika, the former chairman of Murukoro Grazing Land, Miss Eudia Tukahira, and Robert Bamuchondoza, said they had challenged the district titling of the land and won the case. They added that 29 people who had signed documents with the district to title the land, after realizing their mistake, had written an application to the Nyarambi Nyakabungo Barisa Association group requesting membership. They said that after winning the case, the court had nullified the land title which the district had acquired, and Murukolo land was given back to Nyarambi Nyakabungo Barisa Association members. They wondered how the so-called members of Nyarambi Nyakabungo Bahinji Barisa group would claim ownership of the land without any court documents. They said they didn't know Nyarambi Nyakabungo Bahinji Barisa, saying they had never been in any case with them and they were masqueraders of the land. They said they had agreed to work with the government to establish the iron ore factory in return for compensation as people who had been owning the land.
Ati iritaka awere enyaka miche aba district baje basimbisa amabare twaje twahuza nayo twagisinga ubwe hariho nabandi bantu 29 nabo tubaha babiri muri abo bantu 29 abantu eziniza application zinyagwire bareba ko bakorera shobe batera application baje bagarukana natwe twasho 2010 2025 twaje twaza na Rwanda district twagisinga kutwagisingire itaka ryabe ry'abarisa za kaviyeti ziriho za judgment zone ziriho byona ikiramanyisa itaka ne ry'abarisa ngena riha abandi bararitahiriraga muno bije batunga rugo umwanya kandi aritobanya koza arito twahurize itaka negeto ito ekiturenda hati twakorengene na government turenungu ogumwanya gutatufira bushana tutafegwa nzagwa za munuya tubone mu government tuwe compensation na tutuganyigwemo tubone mama kaseta buko nkato abatorega barageraci barendera itaka ye twaruje no president ejo bintu gyono tujine twarugire gyono ibishanyizo gyono tugine kuyura kubahure ngutona kutunga sete cabanyiga bana ngo nabize sete tutozijya twenka kakantu kitima kandi bo batabana bwene tuturaga turabona turagwanura umwana abantu abandi kuyeze igitaka baracho mugani ngo ryabushabiranuga namarago bikahayo itaka twabona bwene arito turarigwanira arito turageraci bo babirugaho itaka ne ry'abarisi
kabaho cyayimani wagamarisizo nahuza n'abahingi imyaka 15 twabasinga cyabere turyaho hati kandi ugumwanya twine muneke diba iki twakozire rukumi rwenda atanu na guma turogeza mwenteze yetu kuyaho hati abahingi government kuyezire yayenda ngo twaruga umwanya twahuza nayo twagisinga n'ecape kibaba bahere bakishazamo mbwe umwanya ugu nuko abatunji ndabwitegereza nyatkeni nagwe itaka ryanjye ririho ndatkana nagwe ndarimanye imyaka yinyine yanjye imyaka 89 ndabwitegereza mununga kuyaho hati ababa hariho n'abateye application baratushaba kumanya ngo nabashuma kutwabangira hati niho batiremwa amani barakoreye ikindi kibina cyo kugira ngo bije batahirire
abo bantu abari kututeganisa tibineho sheya abo bantu barisa kabasinga twabatahari mbwene basebo ndakimanya ndakitegereza
omu bwa chairman bw'egisero namara mwe myaka 30 ndi chairman agamariso ndagetegereza kurungi ha myaka eyinyine 82 erizoba ndamanya agamarisizo kunagaba abatunji bashwenkuru na bashwenkuruza bakaba risizamu ndi omwana bagenda bansigaho turarisizamu no kwiserizoba enyumaho hakabamo akavuyo ko mushangu muryaga marisizo government ya rubanda irenda kugatwara ngo mwanya no gwa government nyowe ka chairman wa Rutoga tindishirize nabo tindabaterere mu mukono mu kushaba kwabo ko babere barashaba aboko bankabanda manyangu barenda kwiba abatunji kandi kumanya ngo umwana ndagwetegereza kurungi nabwe enyumaho nkaba nabereho omubishi w'ikibina cy'abalisa cy'abatunji turatunga certificate yo kubanza turagitungira tucyari mu Kabare district ninye nari omubishi.
Stephen Kamjisha, a member of Nyarambi Nyakabungo Balisa Association, gave a historical view of the Kabili's Murukolo land. He said the land used to be a grazing center and that in 2013, when he was still the LC3 chairperson of Muko sub-county, Murukolo land was encroached by neighbors before the Balisa opened a case against them. He added that the then authorities from Kabale district had come before a large public audience where the Balisa had shown documents of ownership, and it's from this point that the authorities had directed the Balisa to fence the said land. He added that in 2016, after Rwanda was given district status, a few people who were neighbors of the Murukolo land had cooperated with the district to title the land. The Balisa had challenged this in courts of law where they won the case. Kamjisha said it was only the chairpersons of Hamumba village, Kabili's village, and Chamatembe village who had signed for the district to take the land, claiming to be owning the Murukolo land. He added that the chairperson LC1 of Rutoga village had refused to sign for the district, claiming that the land belonged to the Balisa, not to the Bahinji. Kamjisha said that as Nyarambi Nyakabungo Balisa Association, they were not going to allow a few members to jeopardize the government program of establishing the iron ore factory, which would employ thousands of workers. He added that neighboring Murukolo land didn't mean ownership of the land. They advised the aggrieved members of the Nyarambi Nyakabungo Bahinji Balisa to go to courts of law because they had acquired the land through court.
Enkumi ibiri kumi n'eshatu ubwo nkaba ndi chairman sisiri hagira abararihererera itaka balitahirira abalisa babatabariza ababalitahiriye abanankeje abalisa mamba bahinji balirugamo ubugwire tukatushare Kabale district hakije timu yabebembezi kuruga Kabale district baije hanuya bashutamisa abantu bona babagambira ngo itaka twayereka ibihandiko bajya ngo itaka ne ry'abalisa balirugemo habaho no kwetororoga umwanya barasinga embago ubwo gwire twashaka Kabale district. Then haija habaho member uba leta tushabe nomani chairman sisiri wa Rwanda Town Council aliyeta meya tushabe nomani yakora application yo kutaha mu kibina cy'abalisa abarakozesa ogumwanya ejine baruha eroreka ngo nomwebembezi tushabe nomani aliwe chairman sisiri wa Rwanda Town Council aramanya ngo umwanya no gwabalisa Rwanda district kuyamalire kutandika babantu aba baraherera gwa mwanya gw'abalisa bagira itima bakwatanisa na district kugira ngo abure yatwara itaka habo kugirira abalisa itima. Hati abalisa batwara government district bagitwara mu koti bagisinga konka okuza kutunga ecapa haraba hariyo kibaleta okushaba bakaba bina application forms zogu mwanya bakwatanisa n'abahingi abarahererera itaka nibo baba sayiningire mu application form k'abajurizi abaraneibaringe yitaka ba LC1 chairpersons owahamumba owakabirizi n'owakanyamatembe basayiningira aba district barya ngo itaka nedyabo kwiyaho chairman LC1 wa Rutoga niwe yayangire kusayininga mu gihe cya application yagira ngo itaka ralimanya nedyabalisa abalisa bagumizamu batabaliza district obwo bwire nari akachiko kamataka nari member wa land board hati bakozesa kifuba nabayishire kusimba mabare bakaba ari n'abasirikare batunga ecapa kwenga bakitunga mu buryo butayikiri bija baza abalisa bakwantangana na district na office ya Anthony General Mbarara bazayo bakora consent ikihandiko kiragira ngo itaba district twashanga kututine henshi kututine hitaka kwenka bagabwa batungire ecapa bakigunya kandi ogwe bakozide bakora na consent twabalisa twareba abantu kugunya ecapa twashara mutwaza mu high court kabali twabatabaliza ba district Judge Karoli Gwangase Mugerere niwe yamaliro mushango yagusingisa aba district yataho order yaragira register of titles kwashazamu ecapa cyashazibwamu hatiya district teine chapa President obu yaija kunu yatushaba kugira ngo tumuhereze umwanya government etombekeremu factory itwabalisa twagira ngo ikintu twaturaga turenda twaturinda go umwanya turagira ngo ni future mu ryo mu mesho tujya gutungira mu kintu kihango twayikirizingana twagira ngo umwanya president turaza kugumuhereza twayimuka hampa twagena na district leaders abwo kuba bakaba barebire cyapa cyashazimwe ngo ati bajurire twagena nabo baramanya ngo itaka nedyabalisa twahika Kampala twabugana prime minister twagira ngo itwitaka abalisa delegation y'abalisa yaregiye Kampala yajoke y'abalisa twayikirizingana nawe twagira ngo itaka ite twarihereza district bambe government kugira ngo itombekene mu factory eyamba abanyarubanda nangwa n'abanyayuganda Kandage ni program ya government kandi itwe ekitaraza kwikiriza abantu bake abali yeta ngo baraherero rukoro guherero rukoro tikiramanyisa ngo uri mukama witaka mbwenu hatiye zishaha izi turiho itwe abalisa turi kugira ngo icapa cha disobu cyashazibwemo turi kwa applyingira umwanya ogu twayakira ba district guringana ekazi hectares 2.0.0 ziringana ekazi 52 izo nizo twayikirizingene na government kugira ngo batuhereze compensation bombeke factory eshaha muheru kandi kindagambira abantu abaragira ngu baraherera umwanya ngo bije bagutonganirire baze mu koti aho kuba kugutunga kwetu tukagutunga kurujirira mu koti twatunga court order ecapa cyashazibwamu tihagiro wajurira kimanyiso mwanya no gwetwa abalisa mwene kinenda kugambira abantu abaraherera umwanya abariyeta ngune bahinji balisa abo titurabamanya.
On Friday 15th May, the aggrieved members of the Nyarambi Nyakabungo Bahinji Balisa, led by Nougabe Moses, Sande Barnabas, Vincent Wiruka, Edrida Twesgomwe, and Priscilla Mukamagaba, had decried being neglected in the compensation process as the district geared up for the iron ore factory at Murukoro public land. The group claimed ownership of the land. The contested land is 53 hectares. Prima Nahuela for iTelevision.